Yeah, a steep slope can be very difficult, and you're trying to figure out how to get access to that place, especially if the project is in the middle of the slope. If it's at the bottom of the slope, you just got to figure out how to get to it from the bottom. Hopefully, there's a street or an alleyway or something we can drive up to. That's easier than coming at it from the top. If it's on the top, we have special equipment. We have something called a power wheelbarrow that's on tracks, and that can help us get into hard to reach places. In some rare instances, we'll create a ramp. Maybe we'll even create a chute and send the material down, and then everything is just like hand dug and hand placed. Access is a big consideration every single time. How easily can we get the materials in, and can we get, extra soils and debris out? If you'd like to learn more about New Life Rockeries, please contact us and we'd be happy to provide a free consultation.